I guess my struggle with my weight basically started junior high, high school, really after high school. I never was your size 8, 10. It was mostly 12s, 14s. And as I got older, the weight just started coming up. My sizes increased. And I was never, in junior high, I was never in your size junior. I didn't know what a junior size was. It was just always, each year, 5 more pounds, 10 more pounds, and it just kept increasing. As far as trying to get the weight off, whatever diet was out there, I did it. Whatever fad diet was out at the time, I did it. I tried to exercise. It just wouldn't go anywhere. If I would lose a couple pounds, I'd gain that back and even more. It was just something, it was a roller coaster ride. I just couldn't get off of it. As far as health issues, again, it was a lot of physical. I was borderline diabetic. Diabetes runs in our family, but because of the weight, it was putting me definitely into that category. High blood pressure, everything was starting to get borderline because as I'm getting older, you know, your health, it has a lot to do with your health, and I was just starting to be borderline everything, and that was scary. The breaking point for me that made me decide to go ahead with surgery was I had started experiencing fatigue. I would have to not eat lunch and go to sleep, take a nap on lunch just to make it through my workday. So I called my primary care doctor. She ran a series of tests, and then again I was borderline diabetic, blood pressure, and she said, to be honest with you, we both know that it's your weight. She said you're experiencing sleep apnea. We can go ahead and have the sleep test done, or else we can go ahead and go the route that you've asked me about and look into the gastric bypass. So that was the breaking point for me. As far as where to have my surgery, I did research, I prayed about it, and just so happened it was just, everybody does everything over the internet now. It was just something about community. And I work for a major hospital, and there was something about community that was different. I couldn't put my finger on it, but it was like, this is where I need to go. This is where I want to go. And that did it for me. Since my surgery, which was December 5th of 2008, my life is better than I ever thought it could be. I'm able to do things that I couldn't do at that weight. When the day of surgery, being 5'2", I weighed in at 265 pounds. Almost two years later, at that time I was also a size 24, plus size. 2 years out, I am currently 130 pounds, and I wear a size 4'6". I'm able to shop in places that I never thought I could shop. I have a teenage daughter, and I'm actually smaller than my daughter. I can go places that I never wanted to go because I never liked crowds, because I felt like everyone was always in my space because I was so big. My husband and I, we walk. I laugh more, I smile more. I'm just so much happier. If I had to do it over again, I would. Just to know that getting to this point would be like this.